AI is evolving fast, but not every tool is a game changer. With so many AI video tools popping up, it's hard to know which ones are truly useful and which are just overhyped. Today, we're diving into Pictory AI, a tool that promises to transform text into professional quality videos with minimal effort. Its logo? A creative octopus named Pickford, representing its multitasking capabilities. But is Pictory AI actually that powerful? Or is it just another AI gimmick? Let's find out. Getting started. Before we get hands-on with its features, let's talk about getting started. Signing up for Pictory AI is simple, just like any other online platform. You can create an account with your email or log in instantly using your Google profile. One of the best parts? Pictory offers a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. That's already a great sign because legit AI tools usually offer trials, while sketchy ones lock you into a subscription right away. Once you're in, you'll land on an intuitive dashboard that's super easy to navigate. Now, let's take a look at how Pictory AI actually works. Pricing and plans. So, is Pictory AI affordable? Surprisingly, yes. The starter plan costs around $20 a month, giving you 200 minutes of video creation, 2 million royalty-free clips, and basic AI features perfect for beginners. If you need more, the professional plan at $40 a month offers 600 minutes, premium stock footage, and advanced AI tools, making it a great choice for serious content creators. And for teams or businesses, the enterprise plan provides 800 minutes, team collaboration tools, and API automation, but it comes at a much higher price. The best part? You can test it out for free before committing. Key features now. Let's talk about what makes Pictory AI special. First, its AI-driven video creation automatically turns text into scenes, adds visuals, and syncs everything together. With access to 12 million stock assets from Getty Images and Storyblocks, you can easily find the perfect clips for your videos. Another standout feature is AI voiceovers, powered by 11 Labs. The voices are impressively natural, but keep in mind this feature is only available on the professional plan or higher. When it comes to exporting, Pictory supports multiple formats: horizontal, vertical, and square, but is currently capped at 1080p resolution, no 4K yet. Pros and cons. So, is Pictory AI worth it? Let's break it down. Pros: easy to use with an intuitive dashboard, AI-powered automation. Saves tons of time. Huge stock media library, 12 million assets. Affordable pricing compared to competitors. Frequent updates for new features. Hong Kong's no mobile app yet. Limiting portability. AI storytelling still lacks human-like creativity. Customer support can be slow at times. Final verdict. Should you try Pictory AI? Overall, Pictory AI is one of the best AI video creation tools available today. It's beginner-friendly, packed with feature